Aries, this message is for you. Let's get into some light and shadow energy for Aries. See what we have here. Aries, we have Aquarius in your energy. We also have a Libra in your energy. The numbers 10 and 6 might be significant to you. And Mercury is ruling this energy. We know that Scorpio and Aries rule Mercury here. So this energy is all about communicating with logic and reason. But we're going to get into what is in your light energy. Let's see. Knight of Coins is in your light energy, Aries. So if this is in regards to love, it's you being loyal but stubborn, but a loyal lover here. This is steady, a secure relationship that you can provide to others. If it's in regards to career, you're highly focused and driven. Your work is slow and steady, but you work hard here. If it's in regards to finances, it's finances, you'll see financial growth slow and steady. So this is a good thing about you with being in this high vibration, because you could be in an energy where you're really thinking logically about situations. I want to clarify the Knight of Pentacles, coins, whatever you want to call it. But I feel like this energy represents you being more mature about finances. King of Wands, thank you so much, Aries, for showing up to this message with the King of Wands being here. I appreciate you. So you're taking over your own message. Okay, I just had to zoom out a little bit so you could see it. So this King of Wands is underneath this Knight of Pentacles because you are trying to get back to a King of Wands space. You could have taken some hits, been triggered, had a challenging connection that kind of threw you off. It was unhealthy. Somebody provoked you. There was an unbalance in this union, or somebody just ran away. You could have been the one that ran away, or the person was the person that said, hey, it's not working, I got to get out of this. So you're in more of a stable energy now, but you want to get back to the highest of highest, which is the King of Wands energy. Now, this is a high energy for you. We know that the Emperor is a higher energy, but the Knight of Pentacles is certainly higher than the King of Wands is certainly higher than a Knight of Pentacles energy. So you are trying to get back to your energetic, charismatic, loving, or being a lover type nature. Like the way that you wine and dine and can be out there and people are easily attracted to you. They love you. You work hard and you look good doing it, Aries. This is the energy of you being confident, witty, and energetic here. Also, if this is in regards to career, it's all about your achievement. You're ready to make your mark and move up the totem pole or the leadership line at your job. You want to be in a respected position. Perhaps you are looking to be someone's mentor. So you know that you need a little bit of stability here. You need to seem kind of humble, like things are getting done. But once you are at a certain level or given the chance, you are definitely going to be back in a King of Wands energy, because that's where you shine the brightest here. This is all about financial stability, financial wisdom, and being generous to others. We know that Aries loves to be generous to others. They love that attention. When you adore them. Now, they don't want you to be needing them, but they definitely love when you compliment them and see what they have and what they bring to the table and compliment them on that as well. They can be highly assertive, ambitious, competitive, enthusiastic, extroverted, self assured, and really headstrong sometimes here. So, really, a position of leadership and power fits them, or even, of course, an entrepreneur fits them because they have their own thoughts and views and they are going to work the way that they want to work, and you can't stop them. However, they are very successful many times in their lives because they're very headstrong and they know what they want and they don't stop until they get it. Ten of Wands in reverse is in your shadow energy. This Ten of Wands in reverse represents failures It's a failure to share a burden here. If this is in regards to love, either you can't find a partner that you feel like is emotionally supportive of you. So that's where we have the Libra and the Aquarius here. So we'll start with the Libra. The Libra is the polar opposite of you. So they are able to really understand how to balance you. Like they love when you talk about yourselves or really have that charismatic passion and you talk about them and tell people all the good things about them. But at the same time, when you're with the Libra, you could sometimes overshadow them and make them feel constantly like imbalanced because you have so much passion. So in this energy, I feel like you are not the person to tell your deep darkest secrets, but if you connect with one of these air signs, you are able to at least vent and at least get it out, uh, uh, release the burdens that you could have inside. If this is in regards to career, the Libra or the Aquarius can lift some of these burdens. Excuse me, Aquarius is highly independent, so they'll be able to actually come to the table with something. So will Libra. If it's in regards to finances, finding a financial burden too heavy for you, you need assistance, or you're in a deep economical struggle. These are the two signs that won't rub it in your face once you get on your feet. So I feel like this is why this energy is telling you that Libra and Aquarius in this energy, from where you've been in probably something unhealthy, now you're trying to get back on your feet. Being around both of these signs, you'll get the help that you need, and they also won't feel like, okay, now you got to pay me back. Libras and Aquariuses don't operate like that, and they won't like air you out once you get on your feet, unless, of course, you do something terrible to them. But they'll gladly help you get on your feet, say goodbye, and believe that the universe will in turn do that for them through someone else. So I hope that makes sense. So, Aries, that's what I have for you.